If you are constantly struggling in Quotex and keep blowing your account again and again, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'll show you how to predict next candle using very basic candlestick psychology. It's very simple and easy to understand, but most traders ignore it. So if you want to increase your accuracy, watch the video until the very end. But if you still want to keep blowing your account, you can skip it. Right now in this currency pair USD BDT, I'm directly going on with my call entry trade right after spotting a hammer near the support. A hammer forming at a support is a reversal signal, and this is a very basic candlestick psychology that most traders understand. If I place a horizontal line here, you will see the level is acting as a very strong support because the price has touched this area multiple times. For a support to be strong, we usually need at least 2 to 3 touches, which I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. So in this chart, the red line is my strongest support, and when a hammer forms at a support, it is a good indication that the market is likely to move upward. Using this simple concept, I took a call entry and this turned out to be a winning trade. Alright traders, so this candle is forming exactly the way I wanted. A green candle moving in my favor. So let's see how this candle closes, and this trade is a winning trade, no doubt, but I want a clear closing of this candle. If this candle closed as a strong bullish candle, I would have taken my next call trade for sure, but this candle closed as a spinning top, so I'll wait for some time for my next confirmation for my next trade. Okay, so as you can see, I have placed a red horizontal line and this level has been respected multiple times. Right now this red line is acting as a very strong support, and in this chart we've got multiple touches. So this one is the first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch, and the hammer was formed in our fifth touch. Because of this multiple repeated touches, I can consider this level as a very strong support. And if you also look the previous market structure, the market has respected this level before, and overall trend is bullish, meaning that the market is making higher highs. That's why I was biased towards a call entry, because we should always be trading in the direction of the major trend. And yes, that trade was a winning trade. Now the question is, what should you do next? We are seeking back-to-back hammers at the support, but I don't want to enter a trade without proper confirmation. I want to see one more confirmation that the market is actually going up or down. Right now a red candle is forming and I want to see how this candle closes. As you can see, the previous green candle was not a strong, healthy green candle, so I'm not going for a call entry yet. And again, we have got a red spinning top. So I'm noticing that a red candle is starting to break below my strongest support. This could indicate that the market might change the direction. So if this red candle gives me a proper breakout this time, I'll follow the sellers and take a put entry. So I need to check how this candle closes. If the body of the red candle closes below more than 50% below our strongest support, then I'll consider that as a valid breakout and I'll go with the sellers just like this. Now I'm going for a put entry at the opening of the candle. Alright traders, keep watching how this candle reacts. The next candle should close as a red one because the previous red candle has given us a valid breakout. But here's something very important you need to understand. If you take a put entry at this kind of situation and the trade goes against you, don't panic. Wait for the next candle to retest the support before making any decision. But look at this. This trade is going directly in my favor. I'm just checking if there's any nearby levels that could push the candle back up, but there's none. This is a straight win. Now stay with me because I'm going to share a very important tip that no one else will tell you. Let me first win this trade. Keep watching how the candle reacts, and at the same time you can check on the left hand side if there is any levels that might reverse the market. For now everything looks good. There is a doji level, but it is already used, so that is not valid for now. Everything looks good and the candle reaction is very smooth, and that was a direct win. Now pay attention, this is very important. The red line was our strongest support. A breakout happened with more than 50% of the candle body below our support, correct? That's why I knew it was a valid breakout. I took a put entry on the next candle and that was a winning trade. But here's the key. If the candle had closed as a green one, you cannot just jump in. You have to wait for the green candle and one more green candle to retest the support as a resistance before taking the next put entry. Don't trade blindly, trade smart. Alright traders, now comes the next important part, and as I mentioned, a green candle is now forming. In fact, a healthy green candle. Here's what can happen next. The market may move up to retest our red line, which has now become a resistance, or after this green candle, a red candle may form, signaling that the market will not retest but continue to move down. This is why you need to wait for confirmation. If the current candle closes as a red one, that will be my confirmation candle and I'm going to take a direct put entry. But if it closes as a green one, I'll wait for the next candle to retest at least the red line and take my put entry from the resistance. In this case, the candle is closing as a red one, giving me a perfect confirmation that the market is going to go down. Let's see how this candle closes. And if this candle closes as a healthy red candle, I'm directly going with my put entry trade for my next trade. Let's see how this candle closes. For now, this candle is closing as a healthy red candle. So I am going to take my put entry trade. Let's see, this should not close as a red hammer. I need a proper red candle, a healthy red candle. Okay, so that would be my confirmation candle. And just like that, this candle closed as a red one. In fact, a very healthy red candle. This red candle has signaled me that the market is not going up to retest our resistance line, which is the red one. But in fact, the market is now going to go down. It's telling me that the sellers are active. So now market can move up to our next target. I'm just checking if there is any reversal lines levels on the left hand side, but there is none. And now this is a very high probability trade setup, and this is going to be a winning trade. Just like I anticipated, this candle is exactly moving in my favor. And just look at that, a beautiful red candle. This is what a perfect trade looks like. On the same chart, I took back-to-back 3 trades, all with proper confirmation and logic. Let me break it down one more time with a screenshot. Let me win this trade first. Exactly going in my favor, a beautiful red candle. Okay, now you have to understand a very important thing. A green candle formed, but it did not move up to our resistance area to retest. Then after that, I needed a confirmation candle, and a red candle appeared, signaling that the market is controlled by the sellers. That's why I took my put entry, and that's the logic behind the trade. Direct win. I hope this video helps you, and next time when you place a trade, you will look for these confirmation. And if you're still not in my Telegram, you're missing out a lot. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Don't forget to join it. I'll be back with another powerful video soon. Until then, keep learning and happy trading.